Hi, my name is Andrew and today I'm gonna tell you how you can earn money with your Amazon account. And all what you need is your time and computer. Let's start. First of all, we need Amazon account. To do that, we need to open it, create. We are going to the seller central.amazon.co.uk or .com. It depends on which country you are. Press the button sign up and then press the button create your Amazon account. Enter your name, enter your email, enter your password, and then after you need proof of your ID. You need to valid your passport or driving license, and you need to proof of your address. You can prove it with your utility bill or council tax on the following list. Second, I will need to find the products. In this case, what I done, I went to the Home Bargains website and I found a couple products. First is a sun cream. We are copying this name, going to the Amazon website, paste, search. And there we go. We are looking for this product on the search bar. And we can find on the left side is seller who was selling this product for £6.07 for £6, and on the right side the same product for £9.99. We are interested on this product because there's a higher margin. Next thing, we need to find what's actually a revenue margin for this product. We are going down to the technical details and we are looking for the ASIN number. Take ASIN number, copy. We are going to the revenue calculator in Amazon seller account. Placing the ASIN number, and let's go to search bar. And on the left side we can see the product if you are shipping to the FBA, and then you don't take care about it. It just Amazon takes care about it and you are free to go. On the right side is a section if you are selling yourself this product to the customer. This is a much more difficult and sometimes costs way more that you're gonna ship the product to the FBA. I recommend always ship to the FBA. And there we go. We are entering cost of the good. It's a 3.99 and we can see we are able to make a 3% of this product, which is actually 32p per product. It's not very high margin revenue, but if you think about the summertime, it's really high demand and sometimes you can sell 10 or even 100 products per day, and then you can calculate how much money you can make it. And the next thing, what you need to do, you need to add this product to your Amazon seller account. What you need to do, go to your Amazon account, go to the Amazon section, add the product, and seems like the website had some glitch, but don't worry about that. Let's enter the ASIN number on the search bar. We found our product. Here we are choosing brand new. It's asking what's the product condition. We are using new and press the search bar. On this case, this is a Garnier product and we need to be approved for that. Let's press the button request for approve, and there we go. We need one purchase invoice for this product. And that's not a big deal for us because we need to engage. I recommend to engage the products, go to the Shore Cosmetic website. And on the search bar, let's type the brand Garnier. All what you need to do, buy at least 10 products from the Garnier section and make sure the name and address is matching with your seller Amazon account. After that, once you receive your product with your invoice, go back to the Amazon seller account and go the same product and check all the marks and upload the invoice, and after 24-72 hours you will be able to sell this product on Amazon. But you say, oh, whoa, there is no sun cream on this section. How I can sell sun cream? Don't worry, you need to engage Garnier brand. This means you need to buy any of the Garnier products to engage this product category to be sold from you. There's one more product what I would like to show you. This is the anti-killer. And what you need to do, we are copying this name, go to the Amazon, go to the search bar. Is a really high demand on this product and the margin is really high as well. It's 8.98. It's almost a £9 for one pack. How you can see, for almost a £6 we can buy 3 packs of 2 and then able to sell to the Amazon for more higher revenue. One more thing, guys, to speed up this process for the searching the products and don't waste your own time, I recommend buy Seller AMP app. It's cost a little bit expensive, but in the long terms, it's pay you back your time what you're gonna spend into the searching for the product. I will show you how it works. Let's say we found this product. We had the extension for the Google Chrome website. And let's type on the search bar. We are going to down, and this is the product what we actually found it. It's a 10 items per month, but it's just estimate it can be much more higher. Okay, and then we can see we can earn profit £2, but it's actually maybe much more less. Like I show you on the revenue, it's a 32p per bottle, because you're gonna pay extra fee for FBA and something else. But here we can see the alert of the IP when actually seller who is originally selling this product may ban you, or the product brand can ban your IP, and you will not be able to sell this product. And if you're looking down, we are able to see the sellers, how many sellers are selling this product, and we can see there's 8 offers, 5 of them FBA and 4 FBA. And these apps actually will help you to do the quick research. Let's go back to the Home Bargain website and let's find some other products. And we can see actually if it's worth for the selling to Amazon or not. Let's say we want a stretch marks cream. We are going to this product. Sometimes I copy this title because sometimes the title is not going to write in the search app. We are open the seller AMP, and we found this product here for £7.35p. Once you're pressing open, we can enter the price, which is 4.99, and we are able to see if we're gonna sell this product, we're actually gonna lose the money. And yes, you are able to sell this product without any engagement. You don't need an invoice or anything. And there's a lots of graphs and stats, and the most information you can see how many items are actually being sold, what's the estimated sales per month, and just keep going. It's not very hard to do that. Only thing what you need to do is your own time and again patient, because sometimes you can find the products which actually are easy to sell, easy to find, but sometimes you can spend much more time to do the research, find the product, and you are just can keep up really quickly. And that's why you need to be strong and do your job. If you want a success, you need to go hard. And the next video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Seller AMP on your mobile phone, and we're gonna go to the store and I will show you how you can find the products in the store and make money the same. Thank you for watching and have a good day.